You're flying to Los Angeles for a World Cup match. You arrive at JFK Airport in New York for your connection.
The agent at the counter speaks fast English. Your heart races. What do you say?
Today, the exact phrases you need at the airport. Check in to customs.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, with Sarah today.
World Cup 2026 means millions traveling to USA, Canada, and Mexico.
If your English is a 2, basic conversational, this episode is for you.
We'll go through the airport step by step. Check-in, security, boarding, customs.
Check-in counter. Agent says, "Where are you flying to today?" You say, "I'm flying to Mexico City."
Agent, passport, please. You hand over your passport.
Agent, how many bags are you checking? Checking means leaving with the airline, not taking on the plane.
You answer, 2 bags or just 1. Carry-on is the bag that comes with you on the plane.
If your bag is heavy, the agent might say, "Your bag is overweight. There's an extra fee of $50.
You say, okay, I'll pay it, or better, can I move some things to my carry-on?
Agent gives you your boarding pass. Your gate is B22. Boarding starts at 7:30.
You ask, where is security? The agent points. Down the hall to your left.
At security, take off your shoes, belt, and jacket. Laptops out of the bag.
Officer might ask, anything in your pockets? You say, no, or just my phone.
Key check-in phrases. I'm flying to your destination.
2 bags to check. Or just 1 carry-on.
Where is gate B22? When does boarding start?
Where is security? Where's the bathroom? These all start with where is.
3 where questions and you can navigate any airport.
At the gate. Announcement. Now boarding rows 25 to 35. That's your row? Time to line up.
Hand the boarding pass to the agent. They scan it. Have a nice flight.
On the plane, the flight attendant might ask, chicken or pasta, or tea or coffee?
Simple answer, chicken, please, or coffee with milk, please. Always please.
After landing in the USA Immigration, officer asks, what's the purpose of your visit?
If you're going to a match, say, tourism or the World Cup.
Officer, how long are you staying? You, 10 days or 2 weeks.
Officer, where will you be staying? You, in a hotel in Los Angeles. Or, with friends.
Be honest, be calm. Short answers are better than long ones.
Officer takes your photo, scans your fingerprints. Welcome to the United States.
Now baggage claim. Baggage carousel 4 means your bags come out on machine number 4.
If your bag is missing, important phrase, my bag didn't arrive. Go to the airline desk.
Customs is the last step. Officer asks, do you have anything to declare?
If you have nothing special, gifts, food, expensive items, answer no, nothing.
If you do, say yes and show them. Honesty is the rule.
After customs, you're free. Welcome to the World Cup country.
Top phrases to memorize. I'm flying to Mexico City. 1 bag to check. Where is gate B22?
Immigration, tourism, 10 days. Hotel in Los Angeles.
Customs. Nothing to declare. Or honestly, yes, I have.
If lost, excuse me, where is? Always excuse me first.
And please and thank you open every door at the airport.
Practice these. Listen and repeat slowly.
I'm flying to Mexico City. I'm flying to Mexico City.
1 bag to check. 1 bag to check, please.
Where is gate B22? Where is gate B22?
What's the purpose of your visit? Tourism. The World Cup.
Nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare.
Quick quiz. Situation. Give the right English phrase.
You arrive at check-in. You have 1 bag to give to the airline. What do you say?
1 bag to check, please. Or I'd like to check 1 bag.
Immigration officer asks why you're visiting. You're going to a World Cup match.
Tourism or for the World Cup. Short and clear is best.
Customs asks if you have anything to declare. You have only normal travel things.
No, Nothing to declare. Perfect and honest.
Airport English is the same everywhere. Master these and you can travel anywhere.
Tip: practice these phrases before your flight. Repeat them out loud.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Safe travels and enjoy the World Cup.